Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice Nigerian style, full guide. Start by cooking rice a day ahead and letting it cool fully before frying. Gather ingredients like mixed vegetables, peppers, shrimp or chicken, and curry powder. Chop everything uniformly and measure soy sauce and oil. Heat your wok or pan until very hot, then stir fry in batches to avoid steaming. Finish with toasted sesame oil for aroma and serve hot. Prep everything first to keep the cooking fast and hot. Dice vegetables and set them in separate bowls to add at the right times. Marinate shrimp or chicken with a pinch of salt, pepper, and soy sauce for quick flavor infusion. Measure sauce mix of soy, oyster sauce, and a little sugar for balance. Keep rice chilled so each grain stays separate while frying in the hot pan. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum cleans while you cook, with voice control and smart mapping making messes vanish like magic. It's a handy kitchen sidekick that lets you focus on seasoning and tasting. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Heat your wok until it's smoking slightly to get that signature sear. Cook proteins first and set aside so they stay juicy and don't overcook. Stir-fry vegetables next, adding harder vegetables earlier and softer ones later for even doneness. Add rice last and break up any clumps, tossing quickly. Finish with spring onions and a dash of toasted sesame oil for fragrance before serving warm.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.